Hello, hello. Happy Friday to all of us. Nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries and to the different people in this world, wherever you are, wherever you do, whatever you do pala. Wherever you go, keep safe lagi, and thank you, Lord, for another day that you are given to all of us. Now is Happy Friday, and I prepare my breakfast. I'm not yet finished my clean. So I feel hungry na, so now I prepare for my breakfast, for my own breakfast. And this one is shy, nana, green, ano ba yun? Ano bang tawag to sa English? Basta nana sa ano. Ano ba? Nakalimutan ko. Basta nana to sa Arabic. What I'm doing, I make patata with egg. That's what I do if we have patata. Finger ba? From the supermarket, from the outside. So from the outside, I just make, I cook, and I make for my breakfast. That's all. Okay. Sayang if you throw. Okay, so I'm going to watch that now. And I need to clean time ulit sa kitchen. Ito yung dala nila last night. Dinner, they go out with Sisi, and Sisi they make drawing with her friends and madam friends, and they go for what's that, for the dinner, so they bring this one for me patata. That's all. Ganun yung cooking ko dito. O diba? Pagmasdan mo na lang ang cooking ko. Ganun siya kasi. That is my phone. Okay, thank you again for watching, and bye. More blessings at home. Keep safe lagi. Okay. Ayan yung shy ko. Wala pa yan yung shy. Ayan. Mga patata. Ano ko siya ng mamaya ng egg. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all blessings. Ingat-ingat lagi yung kusina ko. Nagkalat pa. Okay? More blessings at all. Okay? God bless us all. And bye. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you to all of us, subscribers, viewers, and supporters. Bye.